What's going on, guys? It's Garrett Fields with Nelson Financial Planning here. Well, our team of certified financial fiduciaries focuses every day to help you change your life through a successful financial plan that provides you peace of mind in the future. Now today, I want to talk about the S&P 500 because it's going to undergo a big change on December 21st. But before I start talking about this big change, I want to break down what the S&P 500 really is. The S&P 500 is an index made up of the 500 largest companies inside the US. So when you buy a single share of the S&P 500, what you're really buying is the largest 500 companies inside the US. But not all companies are weighted equally. The bigger the company is, the heavier it's weighted inside the S&P 500. Now, let's take a look at some statistics and let's take a look at what this big change is going to be on December 21st. Here's a list of the S&P 500's top 10 holdings. These top 10 companies make up just over 27% of the whole S&P 500. So, if you invested $100 into the S&P 500, $27 would be going into the top 10 companies. And the remaining $73 would go into the other 490 companies. Now let's get on to the big news. Tesla is going to be joining the S&P 500. This is a big deal because Tesla currently, as of December 17, 2020, is worth over $600 billion. This will put it into the 7th spot, right above Berkshire Hathaway or Warren Buffett's company. This is the biggest company to ever be added to the S&P 500, and it's all going to be added on December 21st. This is such a big deal that they were considering adding Tesla in 2 separate batches as to not disturb the market. With Tesla's market cap being over $600 billion, Tesla will make up just over 1.5% of the whole S&P 500. So after December 21st, anyone that owns or buys the S&P 500 will have just over 1.5% of their portfolio invested in Tesla. So what does this mean for the average investor? At Nelson Financial Planning, we think it's absolutely key to know what you're investing into. And if you've just been owning the index over the last couple of years, you haven't owned any Tesla, despite its growth to being one of the largest companies in the world. And with the S&P 500 being one of the most widely owned indexes, we think it's absolutely important to note the massive change that this is about to go through. If you have any questions about your investments or the S&P 500, give us a call at 407-629-6477 or visit our website at www.nelsonfinancialplanning.com. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and invest consistently.